So this should be my new spray gun. Devilbiss Tekna, and it's crazy. 2 pieces of bubble wrap, both on top. Protects nothing. Stupid. Should have put one on the bottom and one on the top. Whoever did this should be fired. Actually gave you 3 pieces of bubble wrap. So here it is. Here's my new gun. Let's check it out. Tekna clear coat from Devilbiss, made in England. So this isn't one of those Chinese copies that you see all over the internet. So here we go. See what it looks like. So this is open. That's kind of annoying. And so here's the gun itself. This should have been in the bubble wrap. This thing is gorgeous. It's all rounded, just like the originals, because it is an original, not a copy. It's got the aluminum adjusters. And the Tekna, it's got the little plastic right there, little plastic piece. So I looked at all the videos on the fake versus the real Devilbisses, and it should come, yep, it's got the 1.3 tip and the Tekna HV30 air horn. It also comes with, that's not very nice, it also comes with this right here, which is the other air horn, and this is the TE25. I swear they said TE20 in the ad, but looks like maybe not. And here we have the 1.4 tip, as well as this should be the 1.2 from Devilbiss. It's got the Devilbiss here, and this is the 1.2. So I've got the 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. This is the adapter for the decup system, and here you've got your little rings down here. I'm not actually sure why they come in different colors, but they do. And then what you have here is your air pressure regulator, and let's see, digital, yeah, it's got batteries in it. Now, I don't think they advertise this as new. Oh, and it comes with a beautiful 10 millimeter, 14 millimeter wrench for the gun. It's pretty nice looking. But the gun is used slightly, you can tell. Very clean though. Very clean. Let's see what it looks like under the air horn. Take that off. 10 millimeter. It's pretty tight actually. Not sure why it's so tight. Let's look at the threads in there. Oh, I see why it's tight. It's still dirty. So, beautiful gun. Can't wait to shoot some clear. And based on the gunman's recommendation, I bought this. I also have the FLG5, and I'm going to use that as my base coat gun, and this is my clear coat gun. Haven't seen many videos on why, or the importance of having a good clear coat and which one is more important, because this is obviously the more expensive of the two, the FLG5 and the Devilbiss Tekna clear coat. So my guess is it's more important for the final finish to have the clear coat gun be your better gun. And that's just a guess, because again, I haven't heard anybody address that. So I just did. And that's my logic behind it. This is the final finish. This is what you're going to see. And this should be the better gun. Interesting. There's half a warning label here, and there's no other half anywhere on the box. And as the box says, uncuffed. This is where the other half should have been, the sticker. It does look like it was peeled, actually, right there. So we got ourselves a true United Kingdom Devilbiss clear coat Tekna. And I am thrilled to have a great addition to my paint spraying arsenal. Thanks for watching.